Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how to create a digital product cause I really see as a beginner cause I really seen some videos about something like you don't need either. So as a beginner and you want to sell a digital product, you will need $0. So I'm gonna show you everything how to you will sell it and create the digital product as a beginner. But when you will need to spend money or buy courses or anything, like you will need to pay something when you scale up, when you want to scale up, like. But under $1,000 a month from digital products, you will not even need any of that courses, paid courses or anything. You will just work with the free resources. For example, I'm gonna show you everything on how to start a digital products, for example, as a pregnant woman. So we will use four things today. We'll go use ChatGPT and use Canva and use Gumroad. Gumroad is a type of marketplace that you can drop on it your digital products. You will use just for example, I will show you my digital products so you can get an idea of what the marketplace or your products you will need to fill out all the landing page. For example, I'm a brand designer. That's why I made this branding design workflow, cause for other people who want to start and become a brand designer. For example, we'll delete that and we will start by ChatGPT. Canva, I have Canva Pro, and also Canva Pro you can get it just for $1, I think, for lifetime. $1, just $1 for lifetime, or even I think there is free website that you can get Canva Pro from it. For example, I'm a pregnant woman and I want to create my own digital product. So the first thing first I will need is use the ChatGPT, the AI. But why I will not depend on the AI 100%? Because we need to give it some personal feeling and or some personal feeling, some personal sauce or some secret sauce from you. Because the AI cannot give you the right answers, but you will help him because you are a pregnant woman. You will see is that right or wrong, and you will add additional information. And I bet that you will be happy working on it. For example, I will tell ChatGPT, write give me 10 give me 10 give me 10 digital products to sell as a pregnant woman want to help other women, other pregnant women. For example, editing aimed at helping pregnant women support other pregnant women. For example, I will give us 10 digital products. For example, pregnancy support group membership. Create a membership for a private online community or support group where pregnant women can share experiences, advice, and support. For example, create a group Telegram and sell it to your followers. For example, and you will create an Instagram account. So how to promote these things? You will create an Instagram account showing your stomach, how big it is, and you will gain some following cause other pregnant woman feels other pregnant women, so you will get some following. And when you will get that following, you will direct them from your story to a Telegram based group, and you will share with them how to avoid the pain, or how to avoid some things. For example, like, I'm not a pregnant woman, you are the pregnant woman who will make the digital product. For example, pregnancy support group membership, pregnancy mentor program, virtual doula services. For example, we will depend today on the ebooks. I want ebooks based products. He will give me ideas about how. For example, which response we will prefer. We will read them all. Pregnancy companion ebook, a comprehensive guide covering all stages of pregnancy, including tips, checklists, healthy eating during pregnancy, pregnancy exercise guide, labor and delivery preparation, postpartum care and recovery, babies first year. Like for example, baby's first year, for example, my mom can sell a digital products, and here is it a lot of ideas, so we can choose any idea preparing for baby's arrival. For example, we'll choose like a comprehensive pregnancy guide. You will, like, if you want to make a tall ebook, you will just need to create comprehensive pregnancy, and ChatGPT gives you 10 by 10. Like when he gives you the first 10 chapters, ask him to give you the next 10 chapters, until you count to 50 chapters. And for example, we'll choose this one guide, and I want you to create me 10 chapters. He will give me 10 chapters: understanding pregnancy, chapter 2 first trimester, chapter 3 second trimester. Pregnancy is a remarkable journey that begins with the union of sperm and egg, leading to the development of a new life inside the womb. Like you can just feed it with feelings, because the worst thing with these AIs is they can't like provide you with feelings all over their responses. So but your job is to add that feelings. You can add something that creates the tears on the eyes of anyone that will purchase this ebook. And after that, after getting all the 10 things from ChatGPT, you will go to Canva and search for ebook based ebook for example. You will ask them for Canva templates. You will get an ebooks, and for example, we'll go to this one and customize. By the way, I have the pro version of Canva. You can search for the pro version of Canva. So for example, if you can just like take anything of that here, for example, and make the, and if you want to take for example this and make chapter 1, for example, you will make chapter 1 and take this one, for example, and drop it here, and for example add this additional information, and for example and add pregnancy is a remarkable, here is it, and you can just play with it a little bit, add some, for example, pregnant, and add these things, for example, and drop it right here, for example. Like just an examples, because this is not my work, this is your work, to provide the best of your creativity. And then you will take, when you download share and take this, for example, take this PDF, will download as a PDF, PDF standard. You will get this, all these 3 pages. You will go to Gumroad and add new products, name of products, pregnancy help, price I will put for example $2, because we want to help as much as we can. We'll get this ebook is to help you. No, for example, like take the description and ask him to please ChatGPT give me a description for this product to add it on Gumroad to attract people to buy this product. For example, here is it, like you can see, like the life is easy right now with the chat gpt. Like for example, no, we don't want, just want, like for example, here is it, we'll take this one and we will go and drop it right here and go to the contents and make, for example, we will drag, we'll drag the, will drag the download files, like I think it will download it and here, and drag it right here. Like as you see it, as you see that everything is now able to sell, and we just kind of like publish and continue, and then you will take the product link and send it to your followers, for example, and just add the ebook, just make a like a thumbnail out of Canva, and then everything is will be possible. So I hope this video will be helpful. Free course, easy for everyone, and we take an example today for like a pregnant woman. I didn't benefit nothing from this video. You can just buy me a coffee or donate $1 or $2 for me, like buy me a coffee on the link right down below. Thank you guys, I hope everything is as expected.